Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register your business name with Namecheap, full guide step by step clearly. To register your business name with Namecheap, start by visiting the Namecheap website. Locate the search bar on the home page. Enter the desired business name you wish to register. Click on the search icon to check the availability of the name. If the name is available, you will see options for domain registration. Select the appropriate domain extension that fits your business needs. Once chosen, click on the Add to Cart button. You may be prompted to choose additional services, such as privacy protection. Review your selected items and click on the View Cart button. Ensure that the business name and domain extension are correct in your cart. Proceed by clicking the Checkout button. Create a Namecheap account if you don't already have one. If you have an account, log in with your existing credentials. Fill in the necessary billing information for your order. Review your order summary one last time to confirm accuracy. Accept the terms and conditions by checking the corresponding box. Click on the Pay Now button to finalize your purchase. After your payment is successful, you will receive a confirmation email. Access your Namecheap account to manage your new business name. Make sure to renew your domain name periodically to keep it active. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.